I'm going to be showing you how to increase equilibrium level in Honkai Star Rail. So in Honkai Star Rail, the equilibrium level is tied to the character's base stats and their ascension level. So to increase a character's equilibrium level, you need to ascend the character. Ascension is a process that can increase the character's base stats. So their base stats are right there, and it unlocks new skills or abilities. Also use character-specific materials. During ascension, you will need to use materials that are specific to the character. So these materials are often obtained through various game modes like the simulation of the world, story missions, and just level up the character. So you have the option to level up right here. Just level them up and make sure you have all these materials required, and equip the character with suitable artifacts and relics. Make sure it gains experience, participate in events, and by following these steps, you can increase a character's equilibrium level in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.